Many of us Egyptians forget about what lies beyond our capital's borders. With all the congestions, one may completely forget that there is more to our country than just traffic and crowded streets. This is why it is important that we remind ourselves that Egypt, in fact, hosts some of the most incredible natural landscapes in the world. You may be surprised to know that Egypt is home to around 30 nature reserves that cover 12% of the country. To begin with, Ilban National Park. This national park was founded in 1986 and covers over 3,500,000 hectares. Its geographic location and landscape make it the most unique region in Egypt, featuring plants, animals, and a climate not seen anywhere else. Wadi Rayyan, Egypt's largest waterfalls, flowing in and out of each other through the Wadi Rayyan Lakes region. Lake Qarun, known as an important bird area. The region is home to many different species of exotic birds and is a highly important habitat for the flamingo. Wadi Gemal is one of Egypt's most biodiverse regions with more than 450 species of coral reefs, 1,200 species of fish and several species of land mammals, including of course camels. Wadi al-Hitan. It has the world's highest concentrations of well-preserved whale fossils from the beginning of the large mammal's evolution. White Desert. It is one of the most visited regions in Egypt and provides mesmerizing views throughout the day as the sun and the changing colors of the sky cast shadows over the sprouting rocks. Ras Muhammad. The area has a flourishing population of fish and one of the world's most dazzling coral reefs. Nab. It is the largest marine because of its heavy rains in the nearby mountains have spawned many varieties of plant life in the valley, which seep into the coast providing a mix of fresh and salt water. Abu Galloum. It is one of the most isolated regions of Sinai and hosts few visitors, making it an especially relaxing and serene getaway, and also known with its underwater caves. Aswan was historically the southern outpost of the Egyptian lands. It sits on the Nile, the river that has been the lifeblood of Egypt for thousands of years. Along the river banks are the stone cliff and quarries that provided the pharaohs with the material for their great monuments. Dahab sits on the coast of the Sinai Peninsula, looking onto the clear water of the Red Sea. Dahab in Arabic means hold, a reference perhaps to the color of the sands or the golden red skies at sunset. Luxor, the capital of Upper Egypt during the age of the pharaohs. Today it is known as the finest open-air museum in the world, home to many of the most breathtaking scenery and sights anywhere to be found. The second city of Egypt, Alexandria, sits on the Mediterranean coast and is the most European in atmosphere with wide boulevards and pretty open gardens. Egypt is where I first fell in love with nature.